and whosoever shall exalt himself shall be abased, and he that shall humble himself shall be exalted. May God bless you. Amen. Tupo in ngai lu apiang an tlo mga, tupo in ngai tlo mapiang choi moin an omang, in ngai tlom chu choi moya omna, lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.